National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Curry County and east central New Mexico until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ranchdale, or 13 miles northwest of Clovis, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clovis, Ranchville, and Pleasant Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for east central New Mexico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for east central New Mexico. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Curry, New Mexico.
And lieutenants in the U.S. Marines.